now Nandrolone is accepted as HRT for joint support and so on. The question was, is there any place for Primobolan as HRT? I know it is legal in some countries.
I'm going to get a little technical first. Nandrolone is not HRT. Why? By definition, HRT is hormone replacement therapy. Our body does not produce an nandrolone molecule. It is not bioidentical. Therefore, it is never replaced. It is possibly complemented to your HRT. It is not HRT, okay? With that, I'm not vilifying it. We did a whole video, actually the three of us, we did a whole video specifically on nandrolone, and it's about a 40-minute video, which they're welcome to watch. But just to touch on it slightly, Primobolan, again, a strong DHT. Guys will tell you it's mild. Yeah, it's mild compared to some of the androgenic orals, but it's strong compared to Masteron, for example. It's far more anabolic than Masteron. It is extremely expensive and often fake and very difficult to find. I think Germany maybe still has it. I think Belgium possibly has it. However, Primobolan is going to give you that same issue with your lipids, with long-term supraphysiological DHT serum levels, which may have an impact on intra-tissue levels. And it's just going to disrupt that natural 5-alpha reductase process of conversion. So you have to stop and ask yourself, why am I taking something? Is this a performance-based? Is this an aesthetic-based? Or is this health-based? And if it's health-based, I don't think that Primobolan or Nandrolone specifically are going to have a place in HRT. Now with Nandrolone, yes, we can discuss the benefits to alleviate specific symptoms, fibromyalgia, osteoarthritis, specific short-term injuries and whatnot. But for the long term, they're going to have some level of detrimental effect, which we cannot say the same for testosterone. So you have to, again, no such thing as a free lunch. You have to consider all these aspects.
Yeah, I agree.
Hey, thank you for watching, and do this next. Watch one of these videos to learn a ton more about hormone optimization.